It's 6 in the morning, mid-August, and I was able to score another skeleton, so I'm going to go pick it up. I told the manager I would cancel my online order if I could get one of their physical ones, and that it was for a video, and he said sure. So we're on our way right now. All right, here we are, and they're up there. Let's get it. Steel wire. This screws onto the spine, and 4 stakes and 4 base extensions. The first thing I'm going to do is lay the base. The right foot goes forward and the left foot goes backwards, so it's going to be facing towards the camera. Before putting all the bones, we have the internal structure. And today we're having an anatomy lesson, I guess. So the next is the tibia and fibula.
Wait, what's the other one?
This is the right foot. And this shape matches the bottom. And they pop right in place. Next will be the femur. That is the kneecap. And now the ginormous pelvis. Now we have him take a seat, and we attach the rib cage, torso, that whole part. And there's a plug that moves the batteries that are in the pelvis to the lights that are in the eyes. Now let's do the arms. These have a set screw so that you can tighten them and they don't fall off the shoulder. The cool thing about the arms is that you can put it in any position. And now the hands. Before I tighten the set screw, I'm using the hands, the arms, to hold it steady. So like a chiropractor would do, twist it in place. For safety, the base has some extensions. It comes with some stakes. It comes with some steel wire and a loop that goes into the spine right in the middle of the back, so that you can tether it to a balcony or to the ground or to something else to keep it from falling over. All in all, the skeleton is a fantastic prop. It's really impressive, and you can do so much with it, right? So since this is monster tutorials, you know I cannot just leave it alone. We have to do something with it. So I want to hear your ideas in the comments below of what I should do with that skeleton. Do you want me to corpse it? Do you want me to what? Let me know below. All right, I'll see you on the next one.